Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete data in PostgreSQL database with the help of Spring Boot. So let's get started. So I have already written the code for connecting the database as well as posting data. So if you want to watch the entire tutorial on that, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. So now let's get started with the delete operation. So before that, let me explain you the code. So this is my model. It is called as person, and I'm having three data members which directly corresponds to the three columns that I have in my table. And this is the standard repository, and next is the controller class. I already done operations such as post, fetch and update. If you want, you can just check those videos. So now let's begin with the delete operation. So it's going to be public, just define the function, and it's going to be of type void. I'm not going to return anything, and let me name it as delete person. That's it. And we need to have the path, so it's going to be delete mapping, and the path is going to be slash delete. Let me just have it as slash delete, and within curly bracket I'll be putting here id. So I'll be passing the id in the URL, something like this. So that's what I'm going to do, and we need to have here at path variable to access this id value from the URL. It's going to be long id. That's it. And inside the code, what we will do is we'll be making use of the object of the repository, which is person repo. It's going to be here person repo dot delete by id. That's it. So we don't need to have any condition or check over here. If the id is present in the table, the entire row gets deleted, and if the id is not present, nothing happens. So it has already the logic taken care of if we pass some invalid id. So let me just rerun it, and we can just copy the path, and the application has started. Yeah, I'll go to here. So just go to Postman, and you need to change the operation to delete and put the path over here, and you can just have the body as none because we don't need to have any request data. So just put it as none, and now we are good. Now we need to just replace the id. So I am having here 4 IDs from numbers 1 to 4. Let me go with 4, and if I send it, status 200. If I go to my PostgreSQL table and rerun the query, here you can see the row 4 has been deleted. And if I put some other invalid number, let me go with 300 something and send it, still I'm getting 200. Okay, but in my table nothing would have got deleted. I'm just having the 3 rows. I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of CRUD operations in PostgreSQL, MongoDB, MySQL with the help of Node.js, Spring Boot, as well as AI APIs and tools. So subscribe me. Thanks for watching.